welcome back to my channel, and today I have an Easter DIY for you. I think this is going to be just really cute and sweet. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this little box that I'm going to be making, okay? The first thing you need is one of these little tins from Walmart. It has a rabbit on it. They had one that had a chick on it as well, and you can see it has a chick in the background and Easter eggs and butterflies, and then the side is just so bright. Now what you normally use this for is to put like cookies or candy or something like that in, but I wanted to do something different, okay? So you'll need one of these. And then just eggs. I got these at the Dollar Tree last year. Just various little, these are the little tiny eggs. Now Dollar Tree also has these, but I think these might be a little too big for what I want. We'll see. Then you need one of these picks. I hauled this at Michael's, I think it was just last week. I think it was Friday actually. And they're really cute. We're going to use one of these. And then just some different flowers from the Dollar Tree and berries. Just whatever you like. I'm using leftover ones that I've had. And then some lights. I'm just repurposing these. I use these for Christmas and I think fall. They're just little fairy lights. And I either picked those up at Walmart or Target's Dollar Spot, but I kind of think it was Walmart, okay? And you'll need a glue gun. It's that simple. So let me go ahead and push this down so you can see. And we'll get started. This is going to be such a sweet little DIY. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is just take this off here. And I'm just going to string my lights in here. And you can see where I've used this before. I had it glued onto something. And you want to get it to where you can turn it on and off easily, okay? And I think this time I may put it, I usually put it over here, but I don't want to hide that chick. You could put it in the bottom, but I'm just going to put it in the side. I'm going to put a little bit of glue and it'll come off. And just push it in there and hold it. And then all we're going to do is just take this and just put little dabs of glue wherever we want it. You could probably use little sticky dots if you wanted. Just don't put a lot of glue on here and it will come off. I've done this in the past. We just want to make little lights in here and just glue it like every so often. And it's best if you turn it on so you can actually see what you're getting, because in some places you may have like just dark spots. Okay, I think I want to put a light near the chick, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this down here at the bottom. And then just bend it, and then I'm going to glue it right at the top of the chick's head. And just hold it down in there. And then I'm going to wait and see. I think that I may want to put it around this little tree I'm going to be making. So you can see how cute that is already. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this. To me it looks like an egg tree, okay? So you just need to figure out how tall you want your egg tree to be and what all is going to be able to be seen. So I want mine, I'm going to cut mine off about right here, and I hope I can cut it. No problem. Okay. Now what we're going to do is just look at this, because I want to see it take this and put some glue right on here. Now, I'll probably use quite a bit on this. And I'm just going to put it right in here like this. And you can see it's already stuck, okay? That's gonna be so cute. Okay, then if you want, you can just wrap these little lights around this little egg tree to give it some light. You just kind of got to play with it and get it like you want. And you can glue it if you want in spots, if it'll help it stay where you want. No problem. And just keep wrapping your lights. Around till you get what you want. And then I'm going to put a little piece of glue right here and then stick it right there on the sky, okay? And that's what we have so far. I think that is adorable, okay? Now we're going to take our little eggs. And this box was not much. I think it was like $3 something. I still have the price on the back, but you can see this is going to be adorable, and we're not through with it because he has to have his little eggs. Okay, and you can put whatever colors you want. I'm gonna check out these pastel little eggs and see where I may want, like the eggs have fallen off the tree. And you really just need to put a little bit of glue, not a lot, and it will stick. Oh, this is cute. I think children would like to do this as well. I would have loved to have done it. But you can see what we're getting. And then the bunny is going to go around and pick up all the eggs that have fallen. And maybe we'll put an egg right there that fell off. Just wherever you want to put them, how many you want to put. It really doesn't matter. They could have rolled over that way. I just think this looks so sweet and soft and delicate. I love pastels. Okay, so let's put our front on and see what we think about that. That's cute. I think I need some more eggs though. Okay, I'm gonna get a yellow one. And like I said, you can use the flowers too if you want. I think I may use some flowers. We'll see. That's cute. And then you'll just have a little lighted box display with all your little eggs on it. I may not use the flowers. Okay, I think that is really cute. So let me look at it. And this is the quickest, easiest DIY, and it doesn't cost much at all. I think that's cute. Let me see. I might put, I don't know. I don't think so. Let me see if I want to put one of these little flowers in here. See if I like it. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I really don't think I want to put the flowers. I thought that I would. Let me see if I want to make a little flower tree. I thought that I would, but now I'm thinking, I don't think so. No, because that will hide the chick. Okay, and here we have it. I think it is so pretty. You can see his little egg tree right here and all the eggs that have fallen off, and you can still see the chick. It's lit up inside, and now he's going around and collecting the eggs in his basket. Let me take this off so you can see the inside really good. But you can see, and you can get to this by just taking the front off and turning the battery on and off. I think that is so sweet. In the past, I've even taken cards from the Dollar Tree and put in this background, but I didn't think you needed to because this one is just so sweet. But I really love how this turned out. It is so adorable. So here you are, your little Easter bunny and egg box DIY. I think it is adorable. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.